Digital dream, lines on a monitor, silent bright gleam, years of sketches of code and of might, a vision of future bathed in solar light. Then a key in my hand, a low gentle hum, a thing born of pixels, finally become. From Flagstaff's wide peaks where the snow softly fell, to Route 66 is a ribbon, a story to tell. Aptera rolling, a whisper of grace, 300 miles onward in sun-kissed space, 545 watts, the sun's gentle hand, a freedom unfolding across desert sand. Wide-eyed drivers with phones held up high, watching a future as we coasted on by. 18-wheelers rumble, the wind starts to blow, steep grades and highways where the wild currents flow. But it held its own steady, a quiet, strong heart, a testament built to a brand new start. From Flagstaff's wide peaks where the snow softly fell, to Route 66 is a ribbon, a story to tell. Aptera rolling, a whisper of grace, 300 miles onward in sun-kissed space, 545 watts, the sun's gentle hand, a freedom unfolding across desert sand. Hackberry to Havasu, the desert's wide sweep, a panoramic window where secrets run deep, a moment of stillness, the dream made alive, years of believing where hope would survive. Setbacks and reboots, a long winding road, but the team's dedication, a story bestowed. From Flagstaff's wide peaks where the snow softly fell,